Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your code on the McDonald's app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and order from the app and you want to start building points from when you're ordering. How do you actually go ahead and find your code on the McDonald's app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the McDonald's app. Now, anytime that you're ordering through the drive-thru or in person, click on the Earn Points button on the bottom right-hand corner, and then this is going to be able to show you your code that you can give to the cashier. So you can either provide them with the QR code or you can provide them with the 4-digit number. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your code on the McDonald's app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.